In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to set up an exit pop-up with LeadPages quick and easy, so you can capture those leads before they leave your site. Stick around, because I'm not just walking you through this feature. At the end, I'll also reveal a special offer you won't want to miss, plus an alternative to LeadPages that might be better suited to your needs. First, let's dive into the basics of setting up an exit pop-up in LeadPages. The process starts inside your LeadPages account. You'll want to create a new pop-up form, and you'll see an option for Exit Pop-up. Select that to trigger the pop-up when visitors are about to leave your page. Now, let's get to customizing your pop-up. In the editor, you can choose from a variety of templates. You can customize everything from the message to the colors and fonts so it fits your brand. Make sure your call to action stands out, and you can include an incentive like a discount or a free resource to increase conversions. Next thing, you'll want to set up the display rules. This is where you tell LeadPages when to show your exit pop-up. You can set it to appear after a certain amount of time, or trigger it when the user's mouse moves toward the top of the page, indicating they're about to leave. The fourth thing is testing your pop-up. After setting everything up, it's crucial to test it to make sure it's working as intended. You want to verify that it appears at the right time and looks good on both desktop and mobile. Now, you might be wondering, is LeadPages the best tool for this? LeadPages does offer a solid exit pop-up feature, but it's not without its downsides. For starters, LeadPages can be a bit more expensive compared to other options, and its customization, while decent, could be more intuitive for beginners. Plus, it's mainly a landing page builder, so if you're looking for a complete suite of tools to grow your online presence, it may fall short. Let's talk alternatives. If you're looking for something more affordable or with a more user-friendly design experience, there are other options like Thrive Leads and Opt-in Monster. Both have robust exit pop-up functionality with advanced targeting features, and their pricing models can be more flexible depending on your needs. Plus, you can also integrate them into a variety of platforms, making them a great choice for e-commerce sites or blogs. Here's the thing, if you want a more all-in-one solution that also excels in creating exit pop-ups, there's an even better tool I'd recommend at the end of this video. It might be exactly what you're looking for. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to LeadPages. But that's not all. I've included some great alternatives with free trials as well, ones that might be better for your goals. You'll get access to these tools with exclusive benefits available only through our link. Make sure you check it out before you make your decision.